As you can see, this is the state of the laptop. The screen's broken, sides are broken. Now it comes off the disk, and here comes the hard disk. Let's pull it out. Good old hard disk. Take out the memory. I actually had to undo a lot. Now we can see what's inside. Now what you need to repair a laptop is a hammer and sort of a chisel. Important things these. So let's get moving. Right. Not easy. Yes, it's coming out. It's coming out. This is the best way to repair a laptop. They make them strong, don't they? Let's get this. We got something off. That's a CD player, I think. You didn't, they? Now, I'm not going to waste time undoing the screws, so I'm going to use this highly technical means of getting this off. Now let's try the hammer. Something's happening. If you want to repair a laptop, this is how you do it. And I'm having a lot of trouble. I don't know why they make them so tough. Okay, let's try something else. What's this? This looks like the fan. Is this some there are more screws here. Would you believe it? Screws everywhere. But I'm not going to bother with screws. I'm just going to get this underneath. I'm going to turn it over. Now we're getting somewhere. This is looking good. This is going to work. Right, let's have a look at the screen. So I'm not getting right. How do we separate the screen? Not difficult. If you know how to do it, it's not difficult. Look, the keyboard's fallen out. Now I'm going to get extremely technical here and actually remove the keyboard. Who knows, might come in handy. Keyboard, lovely keyboard. Screen, beautiful screen. Yeah, something fell off. Right, we're nearly there. This laptop will now work. I just need to repair this little bit here. Well, there you are. That's how you repair a laptop. And you can use this method on just about any laptop and it'll work. I promise you.